one.
Put him in the basket. You gotta put him in the basket.
Quick, everyone, quick!
You guys have to find him.
Look at that! Watch this! Look at the board! Go get it!
Curious.
Two blues!
Woo!
You gotta get him in the basket.
She got a blue in her hand.
Oh, go put it in the basket. I see how blue back there,
Right by the obvious one, like right here. So cute. It's like monofocus. Isn't it perfect? You guys have to find them.
Oh, look! Look at this.
Jillian's rocking and rolling.
Yeah, keep looking, keep looking.
Oh, look at my shoes.
Yeah,
So exciting.
Come on, you can't be part of it.
We can hide them for you later. Linda can take pictures. You put it in the basket.
Whoa!
Whoa! Wow! Look around the rock. Maybe there's more.
I see one, Daddy. No, I didn't.
She's a monkey.
She's strong-willed.
You got yours. You're gonna have your hands full.
Well, the younger one has to defend against the older one.
Got that one.
Mommy! What? Look at next to Uncle Kurt on the rock. Look at here. Thank you. Hey, look at Daddy, look at that. Look at. Look at. A big dinosaur I found. Look at this one.
All right.
Look at Faggot.
Oh.
You're so cute.
What is
Yes.
this?
A chocolate.
Oh, good. Oh, wow.
Save for later.
Yeah, that's the
And this here, right?
yeah. That's that in the that's that bush that sat in a plastic bag all summer.
Oh,
The lilac.
The lilac.
Yeah, that's like a lilac tree.
Oh. I still see more.
I see more. I see a bunch of them.
I see one.
3 or 4 of them.
I know you look. I see one. I'm looking at it.
Mommy, look over there. Daddy, look it.
What?
Get it. Ooh, I caught the game. Dad, look at this.
Yeah. Leave it in there. I see more. I'm not telling you. You gotta look, and you gotta look hard.
Watch out for weather.
Oh my goodness! I thought I took care of it. That's a new one. Sweet guy. The yarn.
My dad said
Turn around.
everything's gotta go.
Yeah, I see another one.
Jillian.
Where is it? I saw it. I don't know. That's there.
Let's see, Jillian. Let's see.
Look at all of them.
Jillian, show me. Hold it up and look at me. Hold it up and look at Grandma. All right. Cool. Oh. You should. Let's see if we can see anything else. Great. I see a couple more.
Little
something we don't want to see. We don't want to check
Check
it.
your shoes. Come on, check your shoes.
You can get it. We can.
No, I did.
Grace, 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 look over here.
Oh, I see one more.
Look over here. Up, Jillian found it.
I found the big one. Ooh.
I see one
Can
more.
I tell you what's inside it? Look at this, everyone. Look at this.
Got it. Grace is like, Grace is
Wow.
like, the announcer.
I see one.
Oh, I see one.
Dad, look at this. Dad, look at this.
Mine. Yeah.
Yummy,
Come on,
yum,
come
yummy.
on. The whole thing.
Mom,
You
look
can't
it.
take it out too little.
Look at
I
Mom.
just pointed it out.
Ooh,
Awesome. That'll be yummy there as well.
Where's the rest?
I made it later. Oh, you did?
There's a couple more
Okay.
eggs still, Grace.
The Easter bunny moth. The Easter
Yeah.
bunny.
I'll tell you. Well, you do it. Can you reach it? Show me, Jillian. Show me what you have. Show it to me. Jillian. Show it to me.
Oh,
Ooh, oh.
Look at this!
wow.
Candy. Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's a monkey on it.
There. I got plenty of pictures.
I'm videoing.
Oh.
I look at the last
I don't know where you got this stuff.
Mommy, see a couple more?
Oh, there's more.
Mom, where is it? Over here. You guys left it by the bushes. Oh, Jordan! Don't forget the basket. Oh, my basket!
Hey, guys. Couple more.
You better look.
You better look.
Sorry, I see a pig. Look at what I found.
That's Arthur's hole.
How about maybe in the wall? You think there might be a couple more in the wall?
I know I found one. I got one. Mommy's pocket.
Put it in the bucket.
Such friends. Wait. Here.
Keep looking at the wall.
Nothing better than this.
The flower garden.
Nope, up here. Up here.
Look over here, Grace.
Look at the wall.
I see two purple.
All right, there we go. And there's one more, right?
Guys, I gotta show you what's inside these two purple.
What's it doing?
I gotta show you what's inside. Let's see. Oh, there's Mommy left. I didn't get no one. See? Mommy left and the middle one.
You have a big one and a little one?
And Phoebe left and Mommy left. Look at this, everyone.
Yeah.
Yummy.
There's one more, isn't there?
Put it in the basket.
You girls better keep looking.
One more, but probably on the Grace.
Better look. There's one more.
Grace, think about things that you like to climb up on top of.
I like to climb on top of
That's pretty
How about big rocks?
Yeah. How about that, big rock?
We better go over there and take a look. There might be.
Watch out.
Wow, Julian. Julian, you just fucking over. Wow. Wow. The bottom up here.
You gotta look. Look around that rock.
And there is one up here.
The thing about it, like this rocket thing, you can't hit.
Oh. No.
Hey Lisa, is this planted?
No.
That's a fern that's just been growing there.
Can't do it.
Oh, but we wanted to grow there anyways, right?
wanted to grow there, yeah.
Mommy, look at it.
See, I told you you could get it. Look at you up there. The Easter girl.
I see more. I look at the wall.
Be careful.
I see more.
Hey, Grace. Grace, wait, turn out of your egg. Just let me look at me so I can see you on the rock. Show me your egg.
I think that's it, Jillian.
Hey, Grace, hold your egg up.
You guys did such a good job. You did such a good job.
Oh, that was great. That was a terrific egg hunt. Boy.
Beautiful.